Hi, my name is Danielle Sutterlin with Ad Design from Hampton High School. Dakota Basista, pictured on the right, and I partnered with Hampton Township School District to work with Mrs. Dolan, our SME. Mrs. Dolan is a middle school teacher, and something she struggles with every day is her lack of ability to write. Her occupational therapist designed an assistive device that utilized plastic molds, attaching a pen to her finger, but they had to be taped to her hand and did not allow her to write legibly. As a team, we worked together to create a modified glove and clipboard combination. Our first prototype was only a glove with a few Velcro strips attached, which showed some results but was not nearly neat enough for Mrs. Dolan to be able to grade papers by herself with. We decided to add more Velcro in strategic places along the pointer finger. A piece of Velcro was added to the bridge of her pointer finger to hold the pen in a more upright position, which greatly improved the neatness and ease of her writing. However, as we moved forward with the design, we noticed a major problem. Mrs. Dolan was unable to hold down the paper herself, and it kept moving while she was trying to write. Her handwriting was improving a lot with the new modifications, but we needed to come up with a solution. So, we made a modified clipboard out of acrylic by using a laser cutter. It features pockets on the sides that hold anything from single papers to large packets in place, so that she can grade her students' papers with ease. We then continued to modify our original glove design, adding more Velcro around the pen and on the glove to ensure stability of the pen, improving her writing each time. Since Mrs. Dolan has no grip strength herself, we added Velcro loops around the pen to hold it in place. The final design, which we called the Print Mitt, shown here features that and one other large Velcro strap to hold everything in place. The pinky, ring, and middle fingers are sewn together in a mitten to make putting the glove on as easy as possible. The flap on the back of the glove that can be tightened helps make setup easier as well. These new modifications make the glove easy to put on quickly and leave on throughout her workday, while also helping Mrs. Dolan's handwriting look neater than ever before using this device. The final test was to have Mrs. Dolan use the Print Mitt in her workplace to grade papers and teach students. Our device is unique in that the data is qualitative rather than quantitative. And in this case, the massive difference in her handwriting, even from just the first prototype, shows how effective this device really is. Here, Mrs. Dolan is able to grade a paper on her own for the first time in over a decade. Usually, she needs to dictate instructions to an assistant that will write down her corrections, but with the Print Mitt, Mrs. Dolan is able to independently work through grading on her own. We expect that she will become faster and more efficient at grading papers as she gains more practice with the device and gets used to writing again. This device can even be used for teaching purposes when combined with a document camera and projected onto a whiteboard that allows Mrs. Dolan to teach a class on her own again.
Over 35 minus do the math. What's on top?
The Print Mitt successfully helps Mrs. Dolan continue her passion for education with more ease and independence. We are incredibly happy to have been the ones to explore the idea of an assistive device for her, and we would like to thank Mr. Scott, our engineering design teacher, for helping us make this design a reality. We would especially like to thank Mrs. Dolan for being an incredible educator and for allowing us to pursue a solution.
As we worked from October till January, Danielle and Dakota changed. It wasn't so much about the competition. It really became about helping me and trying to figure out what would really be practical and useful for me. The writing device and the clipboard are great. I use them all the time now, just about every single day, whether I'm leading my class, I'm using it to take notes or grade papers, and I even have been taking a class at my church and I'm able to record my answers and respond. But one of my favorite things is being able to use it to play categories with my family. A television camera crew from a local television studio came and wrote a story and did a little article on TV about the invention that Dakota and Danielle made. I hope that somebody out there saw that video. Perhaps they're having trouble writing as well. They might be a quadriplegic also, and perhaps somebody can make a glove for them and they could write just like I'm able to write now too.